this is my next project. And just like with all projects, I like to give you a little bit of background as to where this one came from. So this is a Facebook Marketplace find. I'm up in the warehouse, that's why it's a little bit echoey. I got this one, I think it was for maybe $80, and I am chuffed because this is a really quality piece. Nothing's falling off, everything works well, all the drawers slide smoothly, which means I have a lot more leeway in what I can do. I can actually treat the insides of the drawers and the sides of the drawers because it's really well built. It's not an antique, it is a replica, but it has some gorgeous features on it. So I'm going to try and take this less into, I guess, the farmhouse look and more into a bit of a classy French look. The first step is to remove all the drawers and hardware and give it a really light sand. With so many angles and so many compartments, this can be quite a tedious job and takes a fair bit of patience. Then I give the whole desk a wipe down to remove any dust in preparation for painting. For this desk, I've gone with a French grey chalk emulsion paint, which is the perfect look and texture that I'm after. Now that the first coat is dry, it's time for another light sand and then on to the second coat. Alright, so we've got two top coats on this in this gorgeous French grey, and it's the chalk emulsion. What I want to do now though, I don't want to whitewash this, or I don't want to at all mess with the beautiful colour that I've managed to get on here, but I do want to just slightly rub back some of the edges and some of the detail, because it is a really gorgeous kind of French white underneath, just a tiny amount. Now, if you're ever worried about doing this rub back, it's really important that you start somewhere that you're not going to see until you get your groove and your flow. Once I've done that, I'm going to wax this beautiful baby up, and I'm going to go out shopping and find some amazing handles to set her off.
joining me. Did you know I wrote a book all about creating wealth through renovating property? I've popped a link below in the description so you can check it out. See you next time and enjoy.